इसमें कोई हलचल हो सनम पे इश्क पे हाँ मिटा।
Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit the TikTok lightning sky viral video. And guys, editing this video is not that difficult. Actually it's quite easy. You can just create this lightning screen effect in just few minutes. Guys, the first thing you should do is record a video just like this. Guys, now I'll show you how to edit this video on your mobile phone using Kine Master application. And guys, you can edit this on your laptop or on your computer as well. But these softwares are quite complicated. Guys, if you edit this video and upload it onto your TikTok account, definitely that video will go viral. And guys, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. In this channel, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now go onto your KineMaster app, and if you don't have this app, then download it from the Play Store. Guys, if you don't know how to edit, and if you want me to edit your video and send you, then send me a text on my Instagram account. And guys, the link to my Instagram account is in the description of this video. Now to start, click on this option and click on 9:16 ratio. Now you'll get an interface just like this, and now click on media option. You will have to select a background template, so select a color. I'm gonna select black color and click on OK. Now lengthen the template to about 13 to 15 seconds and click on OK. Now click on layers and click on media and select the video which you just recorded on your phone. To widen the clip, click on this option and click on this box. Now click on OK to save the changes. Guys, now cut the clip where you want your lightning to happen. Now tap on the clip and click on the scissors option and click on split at playhead. Now go back and tap on the second clip and just scroll down and you can find an option called color filter. So click on this option. Now select the basic option and scroll all the way down and select the B35 filter and click on OK option and go back. Now again tap on the same clip and just scroll down. You can find an option called adjustment, so click on that option. Now decrease the brightness and make sure only the sky looks bright and rest all should be dark. Now increase the contrast and adjust the saturation until the sky looks green in color. Guys, adjust in such a way that only the sky should look green in color and rest everything should be dark. And once you adjusted everything, click on the OK option. Now just cut the template color where the video ends, so just click on the template. Click on the scissors option and click on trim to right of playhead and click on OK. Okay guys, now just play the video and see if everything is good. Now you have to export this video. To export, click on this option and set the resolution to 1080p and select 30 frames per second and keep the bitrate to its highest and click on export. Okay guys, now we have 2 more steps to go and your video will be ready. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe guys. Okay guys, now the video has been exported. Guys, now go back and again go back. Now again click on this option and select the 9:16 ratio. Now click on media and select the video which you just exported and click on OK. Now elongate the clip and cut the clip where the green screen starts. Now select the clip and click on scissors and select split at playhead and click on OK. Now again select the clip and click on speed and keep the speed of the clip to 0.5x and click on OK. Now I am gonna play the clip once so that everything looks fine. Now click on the export option and select the resolution to 1080p and set the frames per second to 30 and make sure your bitrate is high and click on export to export the video. And guys, there's only one more step remaining and after that your video will be ready. Now go back and again go back. click on this option and select the 9:16 ratio. Click on the media option and I'm gonna select this lightning video and click on OK. And guys, if you want this lightning video, then follow me on my Instagram and send me a DM. I'll send you the video. Or guys, you can find this lightning video on YouTube itself. Now click on the layers option and click on media and select the video which you just exported. And again click on this option and click on this to make your video full screen. Now cut the video where the green screen begins. Now tap on the video, click on scissors and select splitted playhead and click on OK. And again tap on this video and select the chroma key option and swipe this option to enable the chroma key. And guys, now click on the key color and select the color which matches your video sky. And I'm gonna select light green. Now guys, just adjust these both to make the video look perfect. The top one is for the background sky and the down one is for the person who's standing in the video. Once you have done adjusting these two, click on the detail curve and experiment with the lines until the video looks perfect. Now I'm gonna just play the clip once. Guys, now the video looks perfect. Now cut off the excess template to the exact length of the video. Guys, now to mute the video, select the clip and click on this option and tap on this icon. Now I'm gonna play the video once and see if everything looks perfect. Okay guys, everything looks perfect. Now export this video and upload this video onto your TikTok account. And guys, if you want the exact background music which I've used in my video, then go onto my TikTok account and there you can use one of my music to add music on your video. Guys, if you don't know how to edit and if you want me to edit your video and send you, then send me a text on my Instagram account. And guys, the link to my Instagram account is in the description of this video. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, I make all YouTube growth related videos and TikTok related videos on this channel. So if you're a YouTuber and TikToker, consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.